So here the question says 25% of what length is 44? So the unknown here is the total. Okay, so 25% is 44. We don't know what the total length x is. So that is what we'll try to figure out. 25% of x is 44. So what we do know is the part, we do not know the whole. That's the part, 25%. The 100 is always the whole. Now cross multiply. So we get 25x is equal to 44 times 100. Divide both sides by 25 to solve for x. Remember, we're trying to get x by itself. So that's 44 times 100 divided by 25. 25 goes 4 times into 100. And this gives us x equals 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 17, 176. So let's see if this sentence makes sense here. 25% of 176 is 44. Now let's try to set up this equation in a different way. So 25% of what length, we're going to call it x, is 44. So let's put feet here. Now 25 over 100 of, so times x is equal to 44. So one way of solving this would be to multiply both sides with the reciprocal of 25 over 100. So that's 100 over 25 times 25 over 100 x is equal to 44. Whatever we multiply on the left, we do the exact same thing on the right. So let's see why this multiplying by the reciprocal just cancels the number, and we've solved for x and we get the same number on the right as we did before. And when we solve this, we get 176 feet. So we can plug it back in. 25% of 126 feet is 44 feet.